So like mfethu as we were still saying mfethu uthi kule ndawo le yama hookups mfethu kuvanjani mfethu bekuvanjani ra.
Okay, yeah, indaba yama hookups. I'm not gonna say a lot about that. Futhi le ndaba le ukuthi abantu bemane bepost ithombe zethu besho ukuthi senza ama hookup, it's getting boring. If une evidence ukuthi ngiyawayenza, post the evidence ungaloku uqagela ukuthi ngenza ama hookup because of first of all, I'm not saying that I'm doing ama hookup and I don't blame people who do ama hookup indlela abaziphilisa ngayo, but then ningas include sonke kuleyo bubble kube ngazathi sinabazali abakhona ukusinakekela bengazathi mhlawumbe asikhona ukuthola imisebenzi. Ama hookup guys obviously abantu bayawayenza ngaphandle and like i-decision yabo yabo. So angibajaji and at the same time I feel like sonke sikhathele ukuthi umuntu oyi-one onenkinga nathi uzoloku asiposta ku-Facebook aposta iy'thombe zethu asendele abantu ukuthi basiposte ukuthi senze ama hookup. It's getting boring. Try a new story. Dlula lapho.
Oh, so like ngathi nabelazakala ngawo.
Uyabo, so ngazathi vele sazakala ngama hookup, sidume ngama hookup kuphela. No, khona ezinye izinto esizenzayo guys empilweni, khona abasebenzayo, khona abafundayo nani. So umuntu bayilo like akhuluma indaba zama hookup ukumoshela igama kanje because of next thing uzofuna ukuyosebenza endaweni eserious oqedile isikole. Mabebheki like mabebheka ku social media babona ukuthi udume ngama hookups bazokuqasha ngeke baqashe yabo. So like mawunenkinga nomuntu, don't squash your beef on the internet. Buya kithi la ngihlala khona ngikhombe ukuthi ngubani. Yebo kanjalo yo naphela intombi yase Eastern Cape impama ngiyishaya
intombi ngomkhosi
land like come to me yabo.
So lapha mfethu kuhamba kanjani lapha na vele mawufika endaweni like
what's happening
kuvanjani kuthengwa njani mfethu like
guys mina angazi ukuthi kuthengwa njani and angeke ngisho ukuthi abantu bathengwa njani because of nama nginayo evidence yabo. Ngeke ngikhulumi into kusasa ezojika ifaka igama lami enkingeni yabo kube ngathi ngithe uzibani yabo. So mina into engizisho for now leyo.
So
but ayiseli imali kahle labantu.
Yeah,
I think that's the point of ama hookup imali.
So lento la they use ezumphando manje.
No, like yazi into isibizwe ukuthi like to a point othi bezigcine sokuthiwa laba bama hookups like ukhona yabe leakise information or something like
abantu babebona no I
like is there a place or a group or something.
Mina I feel like abantu babebona ukuthi umncane and uphila impilo engajwayelekile understand. Obviously intanga zakho thola ukuthi mhlawumbe azina ama frontali wena nama frontali release impahla every week abantu bazokucabangela ama hookup and then like abantu ababhayi bahlezi bathe squadini sami sakudala abantu bayenza ama hookup. No guys, esquadini sami sakudala if uyanaka kahle ama background wabo bonke ba right emakhaya wakubo akekho kungathiwa uyahlupheka kubo or uyahlukumezeke kibo, you understand. So obviously they can afford those things. You understand? Yeah, understand. So bona basuke bakuthatha ukuthi no ngoba basibona manje masihlangene sisquad vele siyahlanya since snacks bacabangela ukuthi hayi si snacks all the way to lapha yabo. Mara next kanjani thina futhi besingelanda ukuthi abantu bathini ngathi because of besizazi ukuthi thina sizenze lezo zinto and all that stuff because lesitshela
abantu I don't feel guilty
even mina vele I wanna nje umuntu othi mina ngenza ama hookup ayinhlabisi na kancane because of as long as ungena post proof ngibonisa evidence ubonisa ukuthi yini vele yabo ungavele ufake isithombe sami uthi lo no
akana show futhi lo muntu
no ungavele ubhale kanjalo
yacava like mfethu lo muntu oyi-church kule dress code. So we do say ukuthi umuntu oyi-hookup mfethu like bathi into inwelele ama frontal represent ama hookup. Phela umuntu odayisa uyambona ka
mara bayekwabantu abantu based on how they dress. So ke sinestyle zethu ezi-different, you understand. Fana nami when my dad is in SA ngiyaqoka ukuhlonipheka aqoka ama long dresses nani baba mimaye nami ngisengifuna ngqoka the way
ufuna
ngakhona, understand. Short dresses yabo
ama preferences
yabo ama preferences abantu abafani. Hence why ngihlezi ngitshela abantu ukuthi ungamjudge umuntu based ukuthi ugqoka kanjani. Uzombona ukuthi umuntu ugqoka ikhafula sitswebe la kanti esikoleni didabo upleze esikoleni nani mbona la emgwaqeni egqoka bokhafula sitswebe nisitshela ukuthi halo unondile ningazi ukuthi
mara usually abantu abenza kanjalo abantu abadlela umona sort of like umuntu okupost ethweni zama hookup.
Most of the time yazi ukuthi la hookup most of the time is because of izinto lezi zipost abantu abayazi ukuthi anyeke uzukhona ukubathola, you understand.
Wabantu abaswela inyama
or abantu abanga no not even there sometimes umuntu onomona ngawo or umuntu okhona uyabona ukuthi intwana manje uhlala kude kunawe so uyakhona ukusho noma yini ngawo because angeke uzukhona you understand
so social media wrong because you can say something ungashayo.
I'm not saying social media is wrong, guys. Social media is also good because of ziningi izinto esiphila ngazo social media. Take for instance.
No, but if umuntu akudelela phela.
Like social media.
The way we
that's
grew
how
up.
you're making your bread. That's how you're getting your shit. So
ngendlela esikhule ngakhona bawazi ukuthi mawukhuluma amasimba umuntu uyashayo. Manje social media mfethu umuntu sanokhuluma ngamasimba ngawe. Angatholi impama.
Abantu abaningi abatshela ukuthi bazenza ukuthi bazitshela ukuthi ama ghost. You understand? Bazibona manje beyamaghost emaghost bazibona ngazathi manje bahambela phezulu
especially for ama account la bona la ama good list la how are you gonna treat
umuntu ukudla ku-Android
udume ngokudla abanye abantu you understand udume ngokuletha like ukwenza abanye abantwana befeel better about themselves so that wena uzokhuphuka and that like for me like think if I get my way a person that puts a person down to make themselves like they only do that because they have low self-esteem. Impilo zabo ziyabahlukumeza, abahlukumezekile impilo zabo. That's why banaki impilo zabanye abantu.
Also
they try to cover up.
Yeah, abuse abanye abantu. There is no reason ukuthi umuntu mayashuthile manje wena so uzuma amazwana omunye umntwana
so ubheka mistake.
That's so stupid. You understand? That means ukuthi wena you're not confident ngawe. So khiphela ama insecurities wakho komunye umuntu. You understand? Yeah, mina ngisho ukuthi like amakudlisa wrong nanana.
Vele wrong, mina ngiyasho wrong.
Okay, mina angisho
mina ngiyasho wrong.
Guys,
ungakudlona then was social.
You understand? Yeah. Angisho ukuthi amakudlisa wrong. All I'm saying is that just don't make another person feel bad about themselves because like, everybody's going through a lot. You understand? Uzokudla umuntu kusasavuka commit suicide. How do you feel? You understand? As even reasonable, you know.
Those people they don't think before they act.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
They don't think because if ungamgudla umuntu kusasa avuka shonile abantu bazoblame wena. And awecabanga
ngani. And uzodliwa unembeza at the end of the day.
Yabona so uyi-one and ubohlekisa umphakathi. So that's why with social media actually sometimes
sometimes
it's bad.
Yeah. Because mama sewubulela umuntu ngoposta something like say and like you could be the reason why with that person.
It's 50-50 vele social media, guys, because of ngeke senza abanye abantu ukuthi ba feel better about themselves, especially why it's 50-50 like for instance I'm not gonna say names okay, I have a dark-skinned friend and people used to say move just because of dark skin, and I also have a dark-skinned young sister, you understand? And that used to piss me off because I get to young dark skin and she's pretty as fuck, I get to move and she's dark skinned. You understand? So being quite every time I take up about dark skin because of just because someone is dark skinned doesn't mean you would have a cobalt. No, see, but in different ways. I call them my wife tenkoda miyelo bakhona abantu amazana amhlophe kodwa mabi yezwa intabe emubi kana nje aqedwe ikhala khona so just because you're yellow or just because umhlophe doesn't mean ukuthi umuhle kunomuntu dark skin. Mina I know dark skinned girls who are prettier than me. I'm telling you the truth. I know. And ngiyabaza abaningi abantu amazana aba dark skin abahludlula mina. And you understand? Anginamona. And I'm like angeke ngifake phezulu so because mina like ne skin color ekhanya akhona umuntu omazana dark skin abahludlula mina sham nokubheka ama features wabo ngisho ukuthi lo mntana omuhle yabona lo muntu
Maramelo bon mahle brawan Melo bon
Have you seen Mimi enhle? Lona ma dimples. Oh, that hand is pretty. Yo,
but abantu abadakhe cute girl.
She's she's pretty muhle. You understand?
Yeah.
Have you seen Ntombi kaJaivan?
Yeah.
Ntombi kaJaivan is pretty with her brown eyes and all that. She's pretty. Ntombi kaJaivan. Have you seen Shanti?
Shanti baby. Shanti babe or Shanti babe?
Shanti babe. Shanti is pretty. She has a nice body. Une talent yokujive. Like you understand?
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying.
Amaramelo pon mahle.
No,
it depends on which one you want. You want Coke or Fanta, my friend?
But I'm just saying,
no matter. Normally we can say abantu abahle sibathathela for skin complexion.
Mara you know why amachita sana mayelo point. Most of us amachita angisho ukuthi sonke mara sibanyama, understand. So we can't date umuntu omnyama isikhathi esiningi. Yabona na ufuna ukuba nomuntu omhlophe. That's why
but this thing of us as Jen saying that we want white ladies, I think is bad because now it's forcing these ladies to
ukuthi bakhime amabhiko abantwana basebehlaba amabhiko
no mara na vaya forced intombazana kumele forced
injection
oyilekalo tuza
like yenza bomalini
ibhiko cala ngokuthi which one do you prefer like ihamba ngama quality, you understand?
Nama quality. So there is the lower one.
It's 200
because you know kulaba abantu enjalo yabona umuntu lo skin sakhe is fresh and asogezi. There is something right.
Yeah, but then ibhiko like le bathi quality le ngazi that people use actually it's like it's 1.1.
So normally you inject it like weekly, monthly, or after cut, or monthly.
Oh, yeah, man, yeah.
But it's not for Indunuka. It's for a complexion.
It's for a complexion.
And then who's
no, let me tell you something. It become a which of very complexion and gain weight. You understand? So if you go to the gym, and you are gym, gym girly. Uzoba mhlophe umzimba wakho uzoshephe uzoba nezinqa bese mhlawumbe mawujima bahlube neqolo lakhe
jamile khambe gym ka mele sikisi yova gym sikisi yobona gym nani
ayithatha ibhiko no not like with ama-jeans cow we know this I'm not saying bad about the condition
maybe
amajita like amajita amakhombo like
bleach but then I feel like also there are some who are not Congolese
but they bleach
but bleach. I will choose not to name names
but you know
but then you know I know you too and I know you will watch this video
but let's put it in this way if umjidama sengasableachanga not to bleach engableachanga in that culture I feel like ngathi akungabonakali ka
mara for umjida utableach phela umjida ka
you bleach wena uzugqoka iNike inspired
mara yafana ngani
is a person you saw it
noma ungazi ubleach ne moyo yozala ingane
eminyama le ihlupha for amantombazane kamantombazane yotshela ukuthi wena unelo
khona baba bleachiwe njani
usuyali uthi ngowakho
uyabona ufayelo
uzalela ufaro wakho
i-franchise ngama makeup lezi zinto kawuziyalahlana baba siringivara ama makeup ka abanye hlala umntwana baba estratini baba kuhle kanjani
that's why people bazahamba nayo mele qala ukuthi mawufika naye ekhaya kini igezisa ubuso mayifakile
okay when a chief on nowadays mawushela ukhetha ukushela ugeli onempabanga like okay ongelani way
bana mina ngithanda ama short hair mfana
uqala ubheke lo le frontal oqinile
no mina ngithanda ne short hair ka wona short hair njani ushero ne short hair usual ka ubona ukuthi rama na short hair
ushero ne short hair uzokhululani mfethu
no mama no
thina inkinga ukuthi sihamba ngama beauty standards esiwabona on TV esiwabona on social media guys it's okay to be who you are if you have short hair have short hair if uzibona umuhle nge short hair rock your short hair uphumekise ukuthi thina sithini ngawe don't give a fuck about us yabona mina one thing about me I don't care what people say kusasa ngavuka ngigudu chiscope and ukuthi akekho umuntu ozothinywa ozothinywa indaba yakho ne chiscope yami izobe ihlukumeza yena not mina.
Yeah, man, I like your self-esteem, like you believe,
who I am.
Short hair.
It's short hair, I'm sure that's fucking blonde.
Short hair.
Exactly.
Did you see with Kimuja? Kia, like the picture is a certain way and said in Baba. Okay, do you still remember Ghost? Elinwell.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't agree with the Tutu Kelika Elinwell is Nanika.
Oh, yes, you know,
that thing, Bonavama, I think it was for what's it, Mount Kundi.
That thing is natural.
No, cancer is a sickness that makes you lose your hair. So, but then if you don't have cancer, then you can choose to cut your hair. It's easy.
I'm
say
brush.
Wait, let me tell you something. Even if you know guys brush, it's who you are. Steezy, you can't tell a girl, no, I don't like you because you have brush cut because of it's none of your business.
No, it's my business.
I have a say.
No,
Okay, that's the thing. You're to clean as a cream. Because you can look
no, let me tell you something.
when you clean,
I have a lot of pictures. I had brush cuts.
clean out the other part.
Like sort of like a ras.
Being cleaner like sort of like a feeling. Then these guys is in about that one just as bonus chill. Started approaching during work hours.
Okay, wait, but then what I'm saying is that
so in a man clean look at one and clean up. Then so much him say
Gundani no itsuni kama Gundani ke.
Gundani dance.
Sama manje azizinga Mara Pram, I'm telling you, like, if Uchera Ashanga short hair, I mean, I prefer more girls like your short hair.
No, I feel
I wish short hair, short. Mara, short hair, in no mind. You know what you can only short hair fits move.
Some girls
not born, Mara.
Chief, ne, I agree with you when you say some girls that have short hair, ne, they are cute, ne. Yes, of course they
and it's better than your front time.
Quality guys, Connie Brazilian, Connie Egyptian hair, Connie silicone, not silicone.
Which one is the best?
It's synthetic hair.
Which one is the best?
Synthetic is the worst hair. West because of cabana and the ball and all that, you understand? No, Brazilian, Peruvian, even Indian hair.
So,
it's the best hair.
Indian
hair is the best hair because it's cabana and it's always soft, you understand?
Yeah.
But the equality are common in Brazilian because of Indian hair is expensive, you understand? The Peruvian hair is expensive from what I've heard, you know? So I feel like Brazilian hair, it's not a must, guys. If friends are looking, come on, inch. Oh, yes, when I'm in the 8-inch yami, 600. Bolungana yo, when I'm selling 10-inch 1,000. That means over a mentality to just in front of 1,000. And we are 1,000. So I'm going to sell a shine in France 12-inch. Yeah, 1.4. Now the pressure is getting
higher. What's the advantage between a frontal and like a twist or something?
I prefer
1,000.
I'm afraid I don't think I figure if anyone care, understand?
No, there are some shops in the
you know, if frontal gonna have your installment lunch, 1 week. Was bonus to frontal more than 1 week, Conning Kinga. It's at your swasher, so score by college. Frontal after 1 week.
Oh, so if frontal you after 1 week, you change.
I will change no, we change your call who's the Bugela or why you understand, and I can understand what I'm saying. Kanda ichuluke imanzi ifantali yashisa
also mouse emcimbini ujayiva lapha ushayele
ifantali no ujayiva mouse emcimbini ntani mina mina ayebo
oh bushakazi mara are they like if front out does it give you that space you would like it doesn't fall off?
Yeah, it doesn't fall off. Mauhambe wayefaka ku expect pen. Doesn't fall off. You look cute. You look like a Bob. You look like a brand. You understand? But then I feel like if flop your frontal is because of they only buy sticker pambili pale. You understand? So that's why they call it a frontal.
Oh, it's just the front.
Yeah.
So you need to see the front.
You understand?
So that's the cheat code, chief. You need to see the front for you to appetite.
That's why I when babezo khwebisi frontal yakho bayiqala from la because bayazibla kunanike abantu bavela ukuthi
oh so that's the cheat code. You need to see the front, the face from a girl. When I can't angekwa landa ugelo move, you only judge from your face that she could be cute. Then inhliziyo yakhe yenjani oyibona ukuthi ayikho great. Umgele yamthole fresh face but uthi inhliziyo ibolile. So I think frontal yaba booster.
Fana laba bathi like ukuthi umuntu asho ukuthi yebo mina ngumntana kaNkulunkulu. Lapho umntana kaNkulunkulu unenhliziyo embi.
Those ones vessels.
No, let me tell you something, guys. I feel like no, let me tell you something. No, let me tell you something. Mina personally,
Yeah.
I believe in God so much because there's a lot that God has done for me that people don't know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
In private, I've cried. You know, have you ever been like so alone, to commit suicide, and then you just feel like so comforted after that, ne? And then you feel like, no, man. I get who was around me by the time, and you realize, no, it's actually God, you know? He's telling you that, hang in there, my child, everything is going to be okay. You understand? Every time that I've prayed, every time that I've cried, and I've gotten on my knees and I've prayed to God, my life is not going the way that I wanted.
Down, yeah.
It's upside down. Something automatically happens, you understand? That makes everything better.
Dang.
You understand what I'm saying? I believe in God with all of my heart, with my body. I'm telling you, I'm God's soldier here on earth because of, like, Donna, I'm telling you, like, I'm going to share, like, in the personal, you understand? There were times when I remember Sakula no Kopone.
Yeah.
And you know, Mokula no Kokema Plazini, sometimes they become tough, you understand? Amakaya wafani, you understand?
Yeah.
So most of them are toys this December, you understand?
Yeah.
It's December, but Gogo, you understand? And mom, you don't understand.
You don't.
When I got to Gogo,
Yeah, when you don't get them.
and then I remember the year before Susugamakai is at the side. I was like, basically, who mature up, you understand?
Yeah.
And I would see Gogo would pray, no manga tolang malama toys and tolimali Christmas. I once heard my grandmom praying like that, you understand?
Yeah.
And I don't wanna lie, that is Figgy 23. Koko mavu extend song was Ogisa.
So
What's a Sambene town?
that was sort of like a mini.
You understand? Something was like a team you understand? And her heart's big. I heard woman Guti. She like I heard her the previous night praying for that Guti Kulukulu Nyata. And the next day, Uputami randomly were fagi mad.
Yeah.
You understand? And like Safana na banyabantwana saqoka safihleka ihlazo lasekhaya saqoka sababahle. You understand? Sahambe emgidini, it was so nice. Bonganye kusho ukuthi lo mntwana lo bekangena lutho. Beyangenazo impahla zeChristmas izona. Saplenda in nabanye abantwana bedala benazo. You understand?
So that's God's word.
Yeah, that's God's work. That's why I always tell people, whenever you feel like your life is crashing, wherever you feel like you're alone, wherever, guys, then you will take a person and make them independent. Like you are dependent on that person. You understand? No, everything that you face, turn to God because God is going to light your way. Yeah. That's all that I'm gonna say.
I shout out to God, but you know this. To God, to GOP. But in fact, you know the feeling fact of playing Christmas or Easter without those clothes in fact.
Yeah.
Like sometimes even when your niggas are going out in fact, you don't.
Yeah.
You don't go out just because you are traveling. Zizo bezishayile lama Nike lama Puma.
And this problem
and the pressure.
Is God bachuzana ngokuthi bagqoka
kanjani. Yeah, that's what I've also noticed.
Banjani if unyeko that standard ini.
Mina, I'm the type of friend ukuthi mangibona ukuthi umngane makana. I'm sure when you've known me a long time, you always used to hear ukuthi now I to spend and all that. Like one thing about me, when I'm with my friend, if I have and umngane makana, I don't have that thing ukuthi mngane wena now. Mina, people who are my friends, they will tell you ukuthi I would rather use all my money sibe happy sonke. You understand?
Yeah.
Hayi ukuthi ngenzela because of ngizibona ngingcono anything. Ngenzela ukuthi sabangani and I love you. I genuinely love people. That's why when I have a friend, I will sacrifice. I will. You understand?
And usually mawenza kanjalo like you don't go drive isikhathi esiningi.
Yeah. Because I will be glad because of God gives you the more you give, the more you give to others. God gives you. Exactly my point. Yabona mina I won't lie and say hey ngcono no. I'm that type of friend ukuthi ngiyabhekela ngize ngikubhekele nasekhaya kini.
Uyabona?
Yeah, it's very rare to go dry.
You understand?
Because even imali ayihlali no. Like imali vela ayihlali.
And I won't lie, yabona squad in Samine. Yabona mina squad in Samine. Mina I'm not gonna lie. Whatever guys people can choose to say about Tabo Omncane and all that. Now I'm gonna start like I'm gonna say the name Those people at my lowest Ntwana izinto zami zingimoshakele yiba abantu bebekhona la noma abantu even though siqala ukuxabana izinto sezi right manje empilweni zethu but when I was at my lowest ngicrasha ngingakhona ukutshela abazali what was going on ngigudlwa ngicabanga ukucommit suicide. You understand? I felt alone at that point. They were always there for me. Bebe ngamayi ukuthi befike randomly ekhaya. Tano right ngithi guys angikhona bangibo even sometimes ngiqamba mangangithi ngi-right ngekho right bathi yazi ukuthini qoka you understand mangithi qoka mangihambise out bangithengele utshwala like bangicomfort ukuthi ngingabe alone in whatever that I'm facing you understand bokungaba even if sharp friendship yethu beyibheda and all that yabo besenzana izinto ezi-snacks and all that but when it came to your lowest they were always there for you bengekho impi ozoyilwi-one
those are the kinds of friends
you understand bengekho impi
when it comes to
ozoyilwi-one
friendship,
and
like,
ngicela
those are the
ukuthi
kinds of
even if I get into a fight manje sisengwarini kuyajayivwa bazosuka ebumnandini baze la engwarini ukuthi bezoza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngomngani wethu you understand seziyakhala ke manje induku sesikuthela induku ke la
so now what happened ukuthi wena change ube inost
okay ukuthi ngichange ngibe inost I'm not gonna angeke ngizenze ngcono ntwana ngithi nami in my friendship towards them I was wrong in some places and they were also wrong ne and I wasn't used ukuthi ngitshwalele ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi vava u wrong you understand bese ngitshwalele abangani ntwana abangincengayo ukuthi
hayi umenze kanjalo
like yabo and then mase unabangani abanjalo abakhona ukukutshela ukuthi
those are different
ngani la uyabhayiza ngakwada I got angry ne and I feel like that was also my biggest problem ukuthi bengathanda ukutshelwa mangi wrong you understand behlezi ngizibona ngomuntu right and like mina like I've ngathi usibheke speeding self introspection ne ngabona ukuthi no some places I was wrong even though nabo some places they were wrong but I played the bigger wrong part you understand beziningi izinto nami engazenza kubona that were wrong and even though bengizenza ne they still were around me ukuthi you understand zake bangijikela understand and yimo waflopa obajikela first because of just ukuthi bangitshela ukuthi intwana wrong they were because of stuff and then I feel like after that ngiqala ukuzikhipha kubona we became enemies you understand no we actually became enemies you understand and then we posted shit about each other on social media and all that and
so
all that you understand but one thing that always hurt me more than anything is that people who were not there in the beginning of my friendship with these people were actually the people that were making us fight.
Oh, so it was the people from outside.
Yeah.
Like when they took advantage. Like
you understand. I felt like Mina Nabo, we allowed people that were outside our friendship in our friendship to have access to us.
But how about you guys?
And I felt like no, even if
sometimes you can't tell
too much we friendship and in that aspect I decided let me distance myself and just not do that you understand not do that you understand because of Mina everybody knows Mina if it's ngiyazidlela ngaye you start shit with me I'm gonna shit you up I'm gonna fuck you you understand and then I told myself this year I'm not gonna be that person don't no I distance myself from that
so
I feel like it's also isikhathi where when everything has happened one day sizohlangana randomly and
so now you don't check
sibone kahle kahle ukuthi what is the cause of everything that happened you understand
and the reason why
you know the funny part is what in the end it's always the person that you least expect to be the cause. That's the only thing
that's so powerful.
Those people were my friends. They saved me from a lot of shit in even namanje masingazwani ngingathola belwe groove ngabalwela nami because of I feel that is the same thing that they would do for me.
So kuma omncane today awuzwani nomuntu ngibonke
not ukuthi angizwani na sometimes nginokufisa ukuthi like I won't lie the person that I was so close to was uBabi Sleaze.
Okay.
Oh, Babi Sleaze, yeah.
Every inkinga benginayo like mawunomuntu okhona uku-advisa like one-advice dog yabona ukuthi mawukhona ukugijimela kumuntu nenkinga akunike i-advice nawe uyabona ukuthi le advice yiyo you understand and mawuyenza advice yakhona you actually get a good result from that, ne?
Yeah.
She's one person that I will say I miss, ne?
So the right pillar of
Let's go around.
I think she's in Cape Town, yeah.
Please, Tandis.
Yeah.
Oh,
She's one person even khona ukugijimela kuyinkinga zami zonke and she never judged me, ne? And who? And November Barbie, yeah. November Barbie.
November
Barbie, she was, she's the first person who accepted
I think maybe almost like 8 or 10. It's quite less.
She was the person who accepted me. She was my G, like, there's no dog.
So what made you join a
She was, because of at that time bengisazifihla ukuthi ngumuntu onjani, ngumuntu olwayo, ngumuntu ovalga, ngumuntu enhlamba, bengisasaba ukubonisa abantu but ngathola bona empilweni ngaqala yabo kwasiveza ukuthi ngubani vele. You understand, there was no reason to hide anymore. That's why ngitshela ukuthi when I first joined Omncane, November Barbie was the person who like
was there for you,
was there for me. She was my friend, she was my dog. She was my G.
So till this day, now,
you understand?
Close to God. So
yes, like in Nostra. Okay, in Nostra,
yeah.
I think I've always been in Nostra. You know, I've always been in Nostra, man.
Is it like this thing started from you, Jodalo Captain?
Okay, I would like to address that, guys, ne? No, Captain, we've always been best friends.
Oh, since you
so that was the best.
No, we're not.
No, like it started as besties.
No, we started as best friends. You understand? One thing that I'm gonna tell you about Nostrum, he's the most supportive friend. Even if I've had supportive friends that I've mentioned, but I'm gonna no Nostrum. Uliroy.
He supports you. Captain,
Unosha, he supported me, bro, when I was going through the worst. Like in John that person got a post on Facebook and I didn't have friends yet that time I was alone. He was the only person that called me. What's in Puma Pants? I need who can I get? Bro, you know when you finally get a hug and you feel so tired of everything and you just cry and he understands your pain, he hugs you, tells you everything is gonna be okay, you understand? He's that type of friend. From there, he used to take me out, show me places. A lot of nice places he used to take me.
So many
best place. Guys, there are a lot.
I don't think as long as there's that one place, essentially when you're that place, I wouldn't mind going back again.
I wanna say it, but then if I say it, then it's secret because of
it is private place.
Not a private place exactly, but then Asanke's are posting now of that place because of it's our place.
Oh,
like in the Otines Hambaguyo. Even though Bakona Banyabantu there, but you know, that's our spot. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say.
Pele Ejos Mawa Hambaloke Chila Nairo Kumamas.
Exactly, but that's our private place, yeah. That's my nigga, that's my dog. We ask Utulana Ngampantintela. Guys Ngampantintela because he's my friend. Like Talang Pantintela keeping that in. Yeah.
But Buffett is still going on, so we only 30 minutes break. Buffett, shout out to Nostra. As you can see, Buffett, this video is being sponsored by Buffett. As you can see, the clothing just relieved. We just received it today. I relieved, but I'm relieved. Was it shipped?
Yeah.
Or it just came to us?
Easy.
Oh, so Buffett, thank you to E-Rep Brain. Is it ne?
Yeah.
So how much are the shirts?
The guy said it's 150.
150.
Yeah.
So 150 Buffett shirt just
like it's a promotion for now this month only.
So this month is how much? Is there 30% promo, 10% or?
It's 150 this month.
150.
Because it's next month they are changing price.
So next month is going to how much?
I think 200 or something.
200.
Sure.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna give you the list of the collective shares so that you can stock and buy whatever you want, sponsored by Rep. So we're still going on. So like in fact, what happened when you cut yourself from faith? Like what was it? I saw the live, it was buying faith. almost like 100 or 200, 300 views, people looking at Tuva. She was crying. So this thing, like, it happened after she came back from the other interview, you know. But I found it in the middle because I was being tagged on Facebook. Steez was so I kept on getting notifications. I was like, maybe WhatsApp, it's Facebook. And then when I find, I come there to the cars in Jehovah. So like, today I think it's the change.
Yeah. Okay,
so
I've always been a kid that has had depression. A lot of stuff happened to me when I was young, you know? So it's my way of coping, you understand? I think it's about, I think I have marks, you see? It's my way of coping. So it was a while since I did that, you understand? I don't cry about it, you understand? When I finally do cry about it, I feel like it gets better. But during that time, when looking is clean, taking attacks from Facebook, people are looking at you other ways. It was a fake account.
Oh, it was a fake account.
Yeah. People were now including my mom in this, you understand, posting my mom on Facebook.
You know, sometimes I blame Facebook, but sometimes I love Facebook. Facebook if Facebook ma post into a green like your achievement or life thing or what, if you didn't promote for it, the video won't fire. But if it's into a better or lower whether the video automatically fires. I don't understand
and
why.
When they posted my mom because of stuff that I was doing outside, mina guys understand? I was brought up with respect. My mom taught me how to respect everybody. Like, you understand? And it was like painful. My mom is being affected by me. My mom is an old woman. You understand? So seeing her being posted on Facebook, that broke me to the last. You understand?
Also, there was someone who knew your mom.
Yeah. So they went to my mom's account, but Tati told me my mom. Then they posted "mother of a bitch."
But I feel like that.
You understand? That broke me because of. Like my mom shouldn't be implicated in such stuff. You understand? That's my mom. You understand? And I felt like you attacking my mom was personal. That's why. And when I used to ask people, people say to me, "It's your old friends." Some of my friends, say it's your old friends, and that's why I feel like that's how we will never ever reconnect. You understand? Because of people don't know what that did to my mom. My mom was scared to go to ShopRite because of how people were looking at her in the streets. You understand?
So I feel like that's why some of the other celebrities don't post their family.
Exactly my point.
They don't post.
And people always ask me, why don't you post your family members? Why don't you post this? Why don't you? Like I don't do that because of people are so vindictive. You understand? People are pathetic. You can't take my mom's picture. My mom is an old woman who's sitting at home minding her own business, doing her own shit. Just because you don't have a mother to post doesn't mean you can post mine. That stuff pissed me off, you understand? If when I put you understand? Because of you can't do stuff like that. One thing about me, no matter how much I can attack you, family member, I was brought up publicly. So when they did that to my mom, it actually pissed me off. And now a lot of people are asking me, why you associate? Why don't you come to Chilasis anymore? Why don't you do this? I can't do that because I don't trust none of you people anymore around me. Like paranoia to the point of think I get so paranoid. I feel like, what if I'm shooter? You understand? What if this? You understand? I don't like that. I don't do that anymore. I don't sit with people anymore. I sit at home. I'm always alone. If I'm not alone, I'm with my cousin who's currently in Mpumalanga right now. If I'm not with her, I'm at home. That's it. If I'm not at home with her, I'm with Nostra. If I'm not with him, most of the time, like lately I'm with my boyfriend, Irishman late. Yeah, that's it. Because of naye ungikhiphile intweni ulethu, ungikhiphile bangani nabaningi ababhedayo. Ulethu
He's a superhero.
ungikhiphile bangani nababhedayo, understand? Ulethu yakhona ukuthi after 30 minutes aqeda ukubona umngani wami so angitshela ukuthi yazi baby lo mngani wakho lo. Umnaki izinto ezikanje kanje. And mangithatha ukuzinaka vele kunjalo.
So he's an advisor. He's
yeah.
everything.
Ungifundisile ukudistance abantwini empilweni. You understand?
But
Don't
I feel
chase
like
people who
being
don't
private,
chase.
like it's sort of like it's great to be private.
Yeah, being private is great.
expose them
I'm
to
actually
others.
enjoying it right now.
Like you know being
You know,
private, being private
sometimes
sometimes is so nice because bega lama celebrity ne. It's very rare now. We don't know umfazi Kelvin Momo. Like when and you can't just see him. If your friend like unless if you search if you search when anything was so thing about life like but you can't see that guy rapping the hand saying exactly. Like yeah, it's
so
very
very
rare.
manje, and I felt like maybe I'm gonna deactivate my accounts, but I can't deactivate my accounts because of
But
soon
nice.
on the social media. On the social media, ngathi he's well known on social media. Engizoqala ukwenza collab naye for his show. So I'm still cooking that, yabo.
Yeah.
I'm cooking, guys. I'm cooking. So hopefully by September, you guys are gonna be seeing me on. I'm not sure which channel it's gonna be, but it's gonna be a show.
Sure.
And you guys know the celeb, obviously. I can't move any plebe now.
You can't just please
Yeah.
don't say it. It's supposed
Save your
to
best
be.
So hopefully you guys are gonna start seeing me on your screens by September.
So
TV, supposed to be on TV.
Yes, boy. I'm gonna be a
I can't wait to know.
presenter.
I can't wait.
we can't wait to see it.
Bro.
So like in fact, what can you say? What's your trick about pillow talk to make a guy say some information that you wouldn't be wanting him to say? Phela, you know, gents in fact ne, like even though ujola lo ghost boy ne, ghost boy out of the blue can't just say into as easy. But you know, ma said lapha na mfethu kuma blankets.
I won't say anything like too much ngaloko ne. All I can say ukuthi ngubo nyazishisisa and mase sishisisa nomuntu wami siyaxoxa. That's all I can say. Ukuthi siyazishisisa.
So information.
So like what are the things that he wouldn't be like iziphi izinto abufuna bazazi ngesikhathi
Mina umuntu wami guys, first of all let me start by saying umuntu wami ungitshela yonke into.
Everything.
Ungitshela including ukuthi abangani bami bafletha naye and ekhona ositshela ukuthi angazi ngiyazi isithando sami and ungibonisile ne-inbox yakhe ngibona indaba chetsweni.
Nisafuna indoda yakho?
Umuntu wami he shows me everything.
indoda hayi ingoma ziyadzatha.
Umuntu wami he shows me everything. Umuntu wami ne-account yakhe too.
Wena
Une-account yakhe efonini yakho?
Yes.
ziyadzatha
Iwephi iwona babukeli?
Hayi ziyadzatha
So
okay. Ziyadzatha
umuntu wami ne-account yakhe. If you chat nomuntu wami ku-WhatsApp, profile picture yimi. If you chat nomuntu wami Facebook, every day uyangipost ne-account yakhe, I can see everything. I can see his inboxes. I
So
can
now
see
the account
everything.
yakho?
Yes.
But I assume that person that wants your person could be uMntomazi or your friend.
It's someone who was my friend, but they're not my friend anymore because of
What if ufuna
vele udume ngokujola nama-ex wabantu nama-boyfriend wabantu yabo.
Mara achivana.
Mara is it so?
No,
is
it's
it-
not ukuthi achieve
is it so-
uyathanda ukudliwa.
Mara is it so like as amantombazana is it being a state of like kuba matured ukulandelela i-ex yomunye? Like
Okay.
because you know some ladies.
One, let me say something ne. Let me say something. Ukuze mina nomuntu wami sijole ne. That thing yamoshi bond between me and two of my close G's. You know? Those were my friends. Like those were my G's. Like yo, brah. You understand?
Yeah.
And I miss my G's. I won't lie to you, ne. But I also love umuntu wami.
So
So
it's
it's
a
like,
hard decision.
It's a hard decision. And I'm in between because I miss my G's so much. Sometimes I just want to pick up my phone and call my G's. Hey, what's up, bruh?
Mara yazi no is great to go to.
But if I do that now, the problem is one of my G's and my man's. Oh, bebahlanganisa something.
Yeah.
You understand? Kwafika nini? And the G started dating. They were not dating. Bebehlanganisa something. Like, you get the difference. Bebehlanganisa something. Tina, we were dating. Tina, we are dating. And that ruined my friendship with my G's, you understand? Because my G, I'm not gonna say anything ish about that, but then it ruined our friendship, yabo? And sometimes I tell my man, I'm like, you know what? Now you are the flop because you couldn't control
you flop
you flop because you understand? I always tell him that. And he understands, and he's always telling me, no, talk to your G's, you understand? But pride won't let you talk to your G's because now you feel like, why can't my G talk to me? You understand? Why is it me who has
because
to be?
Like
so it's together.
No, but
yeah.
You know, a problem is if I'm in a relationship with a girl, then the friend of a girl. Alright, let's put it like this. The next time what do you expect?
But Mina, it didn't happen like that. But Mina, it didn't happen like that. No, but Mina, it didn't happen like that. Mina, it happened like my G and my man. But say things way before Mina.
Oh.
You understand?
So you mean
it was a past tense thing.
So Babe Aziz on a time.
You understand my point? That's what I'm saying. So when my man and I started dating, I knew. You know what, guys? I betrayed my friend. I'm just putting it. Friend, I betrayed you, and I'm so sorry.
For your man.
If you watch this video, I'm sorry that I betrayed you for a man, and I love this man.
Because of Aziz. Aziz.
And I love you too, friend.
So
and I love you too. That's the problem. I love you too, my friend, and I'm so sorry. And baby, I love you too. Yo, you see.
Dude, but guy, let's put it in this way, guy. Let's say an example, Mina lo vava siyajola mamela I want to do example ngathi la isilana ngingaqamba umuntu because thothu izofila bela yeah njole lo vava azizani but azizi yakho ngingayifile yakhe sokubuya umngane wakhe ngimtshontshele azize mfethu. That's not your problem, like what I'm trying to say at the end of the day. It's offers fun. You understand? So you know when I'm here, like you can't settle down for Aziz and Aziz. You can't achieve. You know the Aziz. Who made it start Aziz?
Like you came like podcast and then told us how do girls do Aziz. She said we are trying to get this scheme. So
no, like
let me tell you something, Mina, from what I know. Guys, vagina is a very sensitive part of the body. I did life sciences in school and I had a distinction in it. It's a very sensitive part of the body. And if you put stuff into it, I've heard some people saying you put garlic, you put sniff, you put this. If you start putting stuff into your
Aziz.
into your muffin,
yeah.
After a while, your muffin is gonna work awesomely, ne?
Yeah.
But as time goes,
Yeah,
your muffin is going to stop working. Your muffin is going to dry up. Your muffin is going to maybe produce brown discharge. You understand? That's why I'm always telling people
who could have came with those
stop putting stuff into your muffin. It's okay to steam your muffin, ne? Steaming is okay. Steaming.
But
vagina gel,
okay.
Gyna Guard, vagina soap.
Okay, in fact, let's say as for Indaba is name from fit. Is it sort of like traditional?
Into.
Oh, in fact, don't say into. In fact, like is that thing like traditional for what a fage?
No, I think it's something people saw on TikTok actually.
This TikTok thing is wrong, man.
And because some people were saying, drink cinnamon, what, eat pineapple, eat what, eat plain yogurt. Some of those things work for other people, you understand? And those are natural stuff that we eat, you understand? So I think if you're eating stuff like healthy stuff, products, plain yogurt, that's better than Kenya the garlic.
But during Aziz, phela affected ka.
No,
Okay.
it's not possible. Hey, I'm a cable.
When you Ushainyama ile sniff.
Mina guys, I feel like
you don't realize, you know.
I feel like if somebody, like, I feel like when you're dating somebody, if guys, I like a guy that I know was dating this other hand. So that guy, like, I chill with guys a lot, guys, you know. So I listen to a guy talk. Luyana bega dry, what? I feel like to get to that point, you don't. Only see.
Wow, honest. You don't turn him.
You just
give Is the Aziz chief?
You just
Is the Aziz chief? Bega, but in fact, mama so shall 2 months ne.
Yeah.
And are we told into there?
Yeah.
Yes, are we told Aziz you just because you want
guys,
to count.
You have to.
You know, Pela sometimes mama ujolo kuzugeli ebtem as asamachita chief yaka. Okay, is supposed to give you that thing. Then from last because yes.
No, you have to touch the twins. You understand? You have to lick the cat.
Gospel, I think you need to be before you Aziz. You need to.
I told myself
You want to lick the cat.
Aziz my wife.
But then if you're gonna
there are some pretty girls that you're seeing, even the toes, they'll be so beautiful that to a point that you can
you lick the toes.
Yeah.
You have to kiss the teeth. You have to suck the teeth.
Aziz, no.
Suck the cat. You know.
I don't know how many guys have Aziz.
Lick the neck.
I don't know how many guys.
Ingulapsu isn't it caused by Okoti Aziz?
But
they are like Cholomachito
post like Facebook.
But then that means that you're not fucking with a healthy girl. I'm telling you, if you're fucking with a healthy girl, even you show, man. You show.
Even nice.
Oh yeah.
Nice, she shows with you know.
We're eating healthy.
Yeah.
And I saw a post like from another guy. He said like, "Ngabo for exen." He asked us for exen. Does it have romance or revenge? It's short, fast.
No, obviously, guys. If you go to your man, you have a sleepover. I mean, I don't think like after. After the guy that I'm dating now, after Mundam, I think saying Sheila in Africa, like you. You can't. I think you know. If you're used to getting 6 rounds, you can't just go
for less.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for more. For more and more. You're right. Yeah, more. Those guys, more. Yeah.
Those are the guys that were slimmers at in this building.
Yeah, because when you Sophia chief, you want to just do 2 and go. Yeah. When you can't even miss.
You're
weak because when I remember
that thing is very wrong.
Mina, I know girls who are on my men's inbox asking him I know girls like that. I've seen them. I know their accounts.
Mina only saw one girl watchela.
Who told you like that?
One girl watchela macalo amthi. Emakhaya sengihamba. Ngokubizwa umvalelisi.
Mina, I'm telling you, most of the girls that my nigga has child, they always ask, "What's your girlfriend?" But
so much you want to love you.
And you want to message when you guys. Yeah, but ngizohlangana nabe groove sihlobo.
So that means your person is in Azizarai.
No, mina nomuntu wami soyithusi yakula.
No, like what
mina nomuntu wami soyithusi yakula. Yekela nokucela umuntu wami izinto.
So I listen to this trick uyenza uthi bangaceli ka.
Mina nomuntu wami siyakula. Ngisho noma ningafaka indomdom.
But still, those people are going to come. Fit,
ngisho noma ningafaka indomdom guys ne nomuntu wami siyagula the both of us together.
So as the muntu like you sort of like Aziz like that. You say it's
6 to 8 to 10 depends how
he say 6 hours. Yeah?
6 when you are sober.
So man, it is 6.
So 6 when you're sober, how about when you drunk? It's
When you
multiplied
drunk,
by
10.
2.
So which style like Ozzy's was
No,
like
but
Ozzy like
I don't know what's that style where you put your legs here.
Oh, I think it's the helicopter. Don't know.
Yeah, you just put the legs here and that side style. Yo guys, I think it's style umuntu amakangasishaya.
So, cause boy, stop opening your mouth in fact. I know it's stuttering here in fact. But in fact, let's put it in this way, you know. So, what can you say? What can you say in fact about ama gents in fact ne? Apejana, but they don't care about that item.
Mina guys, let me tell you something. No, can I say something to you?
I have heard stories about
when I was young. When I was not really young, I was like 17.
No,
I was 17.
But at that point, the girl is the one who ends up submitting herself to the guy.
No, you don't lie about that. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you, that's the truth.
Because
let me tell you, when I was 17, I had a boyfriend that I loved. Okay. No, it didn't Aziz in the toilet way. Nah, take us serious. Say no. Obviously, there's this guy that I was dating. You know, he was the same age as me and all that. I loved this guy. We were dating genuinely. So this guy, there was a guy that lived, that used to live in the yard that I was living at. You know, so he moved. He was working, hustling. You know, so when he hustled, Obama meets hustle. You understand?
And you're in a relationship now?
No, we're not in a relationship. Ooh. So that guy used to tell me that I always liked you from the time you were 15. Mind you, that guy at that time, when I was 15, the guy was 18. When I was 17, you guys can do the math.
Yeah.
So that guy was like a predator. He liked me because I was young. So that guy, he used to take me to school now. You understand? Now he has a car. Now he's driving me to school, you know? Now he is buying me stuff. Saying Kerama 200 rand skoleni. Saying Kerama 100 rand skoleni. If I want stuff from him, I'm just, hello. He'll be like, okay, ngizothumela umntana yakithi. Ngizofika ngidrop umntana yakithi ngemoto phandle yadini yakini ume phandle uzoyithatha kuyi. I drop umntana kibo vele yadini and I'm just gonna.
So that one was a still to cover up.
You understand? So the guy, we never really dated because akazange wangishela, you know. He kept on buying me stuff. And after a while, my mom saw the car one day. He's on Landa for the schooling. My mom went crazy, bruh. My mom was shanya. Like she thought something was happening, you understand? You understand? And no, she saw what it's the guy.
Oh, it's the
you
boy.
Understand? And she was like, my mom, that time I wasn't having sex, you understand? Now she's taking me to the clinic to check if so she told the guy, stay away from my kid, you know? Now the guy, and you're
still following the guy. So the family doesn't want, but you want, you know.
But the guy still wants me. But the guy still wants me. So on my when it was my like the day of my birthday, the guy, my mom knew obviously you understand? So now when he comes to my birthday, my mom, it was my 18th birthday.
No, like did he come like official, like?
So you guys have been,
but cook, yeah.
Now it's my 18th birthday. He pulls up to my birthday. My mom, because my mom didn't like him, but his mom was there also. You understand? Because Sakula Sonke one.
So mama,
yeah.
So mama,
because of. She always said Uguti Ukai had something for me, and I was younger than him, you understand? Because of the time, obviously, I think I was 10, he was like 13 or 14. He used to be like, mama no baba, you understand? And that's why my mom would block me from playing with him because of, you understand? You understand? Guti, how was the, you understand? So from there, when I was 18, I turned 18, he came to my birthday. Bro, the biggest present that I got was from him. He bought me a phone. He bought me a phone. It was a Samsung. It was a Samsung. I don't know, but it was the new Samsung. You understand? Yeah, the first Samsung. Let's say I'm a fingerprint mover. You get what I'm saying? Now, you mean kind of styling, man. My mom is there, like.
And the mom about the phone.
Inside the phone, there was like $200. Actually, it's for airtime. And then his mom bought me. His mom bought me basic stuff like a dress and
so
toiletries, girl stuff like that. So I took the phone. I didn't show my mom what was inside the present. You understand? I just took the present because she was like, "Don't show your mom." I just took the present, hashed, put it with the other presents. When mom got the trippy took the present. Now you feel like I'm. So when my mom came, very since we checked Dala, it was a simpler thing that I remember. So it was just like he bought me a simple thing. 2 days later, Mama, phone.
Oh, so that was the story to cover up on face. So, like amantombazane kunzima accept when they know with like basupport to abazali. Then abazali like they start getting curious with where did you get the phone from?
Mama, phone. Okay, phone. Let's see. My mom could see what's in her. Guys, the phone is Georgia. So now she's asking all my cousins, we type the phone. It
was fresh, in fact, you know.
It was fresh.
Yeah,
and then she just gave it to me. She's like, yeah, you can't like her. She wasn't there.
Yeah.
Okay, but you call her. Now, so we moved on to styling, and that was the last time I saw him before at his wedding last year, when he came to invite us to his wedding last year.
How? So the guy did right now.
Yeah, right now he's married.
So, like, was it the distance that separated you guys?
But then we never really dated, so I think
it was sort of like something you banana.
Yeah.
Or maybe the guy delayed to go.
I don't think he delayed. I think he was afraid of my mom because of. He used to say stuff like, yo, but he was afraid of my mom, you know, because everybody knows my mom. My mom, police station, man.
Same time.
So
I think maybe you were scared.
You know, he was afraid of my mom.
Maybe,
but
by that time, were you that much to a state of maybe if you see a guy doing something for you, you could easily pick up so
you know,
I call my relationship where you just go for like a trial without shenana.
You know one thing that I actually love. You know one thing about me, I always date affectionate guys, you understand? I always date guys who are full of love. I've never dated a guy that just treated me like trash ever. I think it's my luck. You know?
But I most of your guys alcoholic or they don't drink?
Most of my guys,
like your exes.
My exes.
Do they drink?
Yeah, my exes drink alcohol.
So you prefer guys that drink because you're in the industry, you know?
Yeah, my man.
But sometimes it's difficult to date someone who doesn't.
No, I'm actually okay with somebody who drinks, ne?
No,
I'm really not okay with someone who drinks lean. Yeah, you know, because now I'm with you. I came to visit you, and then I want to Azizi, and you are just there.
So intombazane like sanokuvakasha nje ufuna Aziza kuphela.
Yeah.
So a girl can go far away for just an Aziz. But so what's the thing right there? Uyacaba ugel uhlale flatting a 509 but kule 20 floors. But the girl ne uyasuka le town eyuvile esiya Aziz. So like what does that mean?
But why am I?
Okay.
Guys, let me tell you something. You see when you love somebody.
Before we get there, I want to ask something. What can you say about ama chicks? Ne? First meet up, first Aziz, should you take that person seriously?
Nah.
Okay, for me, let me state this, me. First meet up, first Aziz. I feel like it depends on you entirely as a type of person.
But when I would do it.
But when I would do it.
No, no.
You beg, no. We don't want you.
But I'm not judging anyone. No,
We
wait,
don't
let
want
me make
you
this
to
clear.
say
Wait,
big.
I'm not judging anyone.
Yeah.
Guys, I know people who went from a first fuck on the first day to having children together.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
So I'm not saying
you can have children with these man, but into any genuine like.
It wouldn't be genuine because we Aziz Jonjela. But
I feel like you know when like girls really catch feelings after sex. Yeah. You know, like you decide.
But if
I'm looking at you like this,
yeah.
I can already tell.
In fact, you don't tell me what I have a small.
Nizolala nawe, orangeke ngilale nawe. Understand?
Yeah.
When I'm looking at you like this, I can tell. Look, it's okay. It's my first time seeing this. Nizolala nawe, orangeke. I can already tell.
Should you the girls that you look at the print of me?
No, not the print. You
Look at the
guy.
Oh, the guy.
like
So.
you know people what they don't understand. A guy tells you everything from just literally looking at his behavior.
Like, what ukhona mi guy wasimawusiya
Not even- yabona khona amajita ne, they
Umthole
pretend ne, but umjito pretendayo you can see. You understand? You can see. You know mina ne, there was a guy that I dated ne.
Yeah.
So this guy, he's in a relationship with somebody. So this guy thinks I don't know that he's in a relationship. You know, I'm dating him because he's cute, and I'm just playing the game. I'm playing because I'm bored now. I'm playing.
So the more
No, I don't only play with boys. I play with girls too. Depends. How?
so no kana
No, I'm gliding about. I'm just saying go to the guy.
Like
I only,
play,
yeah,
play.
just for flat phone. I'm
Play,
feeling
yeah.
bored, you know.
You know,
And
sometimes
this guy. This was before I was in a relationship with my man. I was single at that time.
It's normal, fit. Sometimes in relationship, the guy will be cold, you know. Sometimes, like you know, the good relationship.
No, but Mina, no guys, no.
Like
Mina, no, my man.
So
we
it's
were not
normal to
dating
play.
at that time.
At that
Mina no
time,
muntu
yeah.
wami as jolly. Ningadlali no muntu wami, guys. Umuntu abakunda na uduri. No, please.
We know you're so secure about your person.
Okay.
Listen.
But wait till you got the so that guy he was dating, you understand? So now I was just playing with the game so that I could see how far the guy would go, you know? So the guy invites me out to go out for drinks. We go to eat at this fancy place and all that and all that and all that and all that. So now the guy, he never really asked me for sex, you know? Because when he now started, he was like, when after the date, he wanted to kiss me. And I was like, what would your girlfriend say? And he laughed.
after a date.
Yeah, after the date. Yeah. And it was so nice. Yeah. Like that, I remember that meal was like 700 and something. And I was like, he was like, when he tried to kiss
700 no kiss. 700 rand no kiss.
I'm telling you, friend. I can even show you the chat.
And even transport.
Yes, even
You
transport.
do not kiss.
I can even show you. And then in my text, he's like, he asked me.
That's too much. He said, no, this man, you won't get
When I
in.
get home, he asked me, you didn't even give me a kiss. I was like, but I asked you, what will your girlfriend say? And he's like, no, we're not dating anymore. And I'm like, okay, I'll decide when we go on our next date. So the next date, he went cheaper. Like, no, let me not say cheaper. He went like natural McDonald's. We go to McDonald's. He buys me spicy McFeast, grimace, milkshakes. You know. So after that, when we were leaving, I hugged him. And when he wanted to kiss me, I was like, show me proof that you and your girlfriend are over. Now, again. And then, saying busy Uber. Because one thing that I used to do, being busy Uber before I come out. So that when I come out, the Uber is already outside. So that he cannot pressure me into anything. You understand?
That's a treat.
So I get there.
So
now we outside.
Food.
She's smart.
Yeah, now she's going.
She's smart.
When I think you are about giving is the Aziz, but you know she wants to go.
You understand? So now he's about to kiss me. He's like, and I'm like, there's my Uber. Inside my Uber, he even bought me stuff to go and share with my sisters at home. And I'm like, oh, thank you so much. I remember then no kiss. I only hugged him when I met him. I said, hi. I hugged him and I ate my shit. And that day I remember he spent like 5 something day in McDonald's.
But in fact, I think that's
and then from there,
in fact, that's a wrong thing. When your relationship is still new, you take the girl to McDonald's, Starbucks, or
it was okay. It was okay.
Why not start with a quarter shop? Why not start with a cheese? Or start from a Starbucks?
It was actually okay. Let me tell you something. What I always tell people, and misogynistic people are gonna take it the wrong way. You understand? People who think they're woke are gonna take it the wrong way. You understand? This is life. I'm not saying sell your body or sell yourself. I'm saying everybody is in something to benefit. A man is with you to fuck you. Amen. He fucks you. He's already accomplished something. Oh, okay. A man is with you to Aziz you. After azizing you, he has accomplished something. He has azized you. What are you getting in return?
No,
babies.
No.
Babies. You're getting.
Wait.
No, wait. What? I'm not saying that. Wait. Listen to this. I'm not saying Aziz for money, ne? I'm saying Aziz somebody that you know, good team. Okay.
Nah.
Me and my man, we Aziz.
Okay.
Next week, your man is taking you for shopping.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying
let's put it in this theory. The Aziz was made for babies. Then the Aziz became pleasure. Then some of them couldn't pleasure themselves. The Aziz was for sale. It was for sale. Now it's not for sale, not fun.
It's not for fun.
And even for fun, yeah.
And even for hustling.
Yes, yeah, but let me tell you something, Nick.
So what's the point of it? We Aziz today.
Let me tell you something.
Then tomorrow when I want me to buy for you something because you just gave me the Aziz.
You know, that's not what I'm saying. That's why I'm always telling people that before you Aziz with somebody, make sure that they're the type of person that you want to spend the rest of your life with. That's why some people end up selling it, you understand? And it's wrong to sell it because that thing is pleasure, you understand? It's pleasure, it's nice. Everybody enjoys it, ne? But then females, I have an ex that once taught me, Guti, when you Aziz with someone, you merge.
Your soul is tied.
Yeah, your soul's tied, ne? So now you're soul tied to that person, and that person is bipolar. Now you're soul tied for nothing, for babies. No, you can't have bipolar because of what the fuck?
But look,
make sure that you.
Okay, pega.
Guys use girls all the time. Well, how is it wrong for a girl to use a guy?
Okay.
Girls should learn to use guys to their advantage so that they get what they want.
Pega, nostra fine is okay. You are sulo muntu wakho sehlala lonke ne. Yes. Cars, full house,
yes.
Swimming pool, you now dive inside the home.
Yes.
Everything is fresh, ne? Then you are with your wife. You want to Aziz that night. That night you are supposed to Aziz. The wife is not in the mood, ne? Because of what? Of stresses, sometimes stress, But when are you paying for the novel? So is it wrong for a guy to go out to cheeky tigers? And you can say it, one.
Okay. You cannot cheat because these days we have these things for toys. Toys are there for girls, and I think for men they are made. So you can use a toy that.
Exactly my point. But you know where the problem is, Nick? Let me tell you something. Can I tell you something?
I want a physical touch.
I will forever say this. Hey. Men, it is men's nature to cheat. A man's nature is to cheat. A man, no matter how happy he is with his wife, a man is going to cheat. Let me tell you the truth. Can I say it, sweetie? A man will always cheat because of it's in his nature. It's part of who he is. A man can love you with all his heart and go out and Aziz someone that he doesn't care about. If you put that hand that he Aziz it here and you put his girl, he's gonna choose his girl because you were just a piece of meat.
We want the Aziz.
You understand?
Yes.
And women are not supposed to revenge cheat back because of if you Aziz, They are
is
seizing
ending.
you.
Us, we are not ending.
You understand?
Yes.
You understand?
So
It's men's nature
we are
to
going
cheat.
to cheat.
Men's nature to cheat.
So,
and
but yes,
one thing that I love about
let's cheat.
about that no, Stevie. That's not what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Don't listen to Stevie. It's the man's nature to cheat, but just make sure that you're not my man when men's nature
So
calls.
your man is not
I
allowed to
think
cheat.
not every man.
Guys, Nyazuguti, do you know that visiting times at the hospital start at 3? Yeah, his family is gonna visit him. It doesn't matter.
So okay, as if you're pregnant and so spend so you went for probably a month.
Yeah, bull.
So when you went for a month, you expect your guy to go hungry so many times.
Let me tell you something.
No, but I feel like that's a difference.
Let me tell you something. Whoa.
3 months because
Whoa. One thing about
I
me.
want you to know also spend
One thing about me.
Mana, wait.
One thing about me.
Okay. When I pay week, how many times do Aziz? Like, let's say.
How many times should someone?
I want.
Let's say in a week.
Yeah.
If in that week, if in that week I see my man every day for that week, every day of that week, me and my man are gonna Aziz.
I get tired of him.
It's how many times? I just want like 3 times a week or 4 times a week.
If we see each other 7 times a week, we're going to Aziz 7 times a week.
Okay, man,
I'm telling you.
Okay, bigger. That and she's saying 7 times. Then the girl that I'm Azizing, my friend, is now having a baby, you see, and that baby is 1 month. You know, for 1 month, the ladies, you do not Aziz.
We know we
So you want me to stay for 30 days without Azizing?
Let me cook, Chief. It starts months before the baby arrives. She went there, she had a complication, maybe 7 months.
7
She
months.
went for 2 months.
You can't Aziz.
And then we're Africans. After a month after she gave birth, I would
You can't Aziz.
And for me,
Do you know why most of those
That is
people?
what Chiki
Do you know what? Do you know why? Let me tell you something. That is why people's children get sick. You go outside, you go outside, you Aziz a pojing.
It's a pojing.
Now the pojing, from the pojing you come, you touch the baby. Now the baby is sick because the pojing is also has absorbed many souls that you have now absorbed. Now you're going to touch your baby. Now your baby is sick. Now you're going to sangoma. I don't know what is wrong. But you are the cause.
So instead of them becoming the cause, is the man supposed to choke the snake?
Yes!
You can't choke the snake. When can you choke? I don't.
Guys,
You
my
choke
man
the
is
snake.
calling me.
Yeah, you can answer the phone.
Baby?
But you can't choke. You can't choke the phone.
Baby?
You can't.
No.
You can't choke the phone.
Nyagus.
You
I
can't.
won't
Fish.
choke in the
Ngana ustiz.
You can't choke the phone. The
the street is
snake.
Angithi ngitshela ukuthi ngizoyenza i-podcast.
You can't.
Ngitshelile ngathi ngizoyenza i-podcast.
I was talking about the 3 months. I had 2 months before the complication.
Yeah.
I had 2 months, and then the 3rd month in plus I'm African.
No.
What 3 months without chopping?
Nina yini
Just
ekhulisa
thinking
abantwana
about
benu.
Le nto lethi yafila omkhulu bethu.
No.
We can't change into yafila.
Babe, uzoyivula mama.
You must chop, chief. We need to chop.
We can't change into yafila omkhulu bethu.
Yeah.
So I
Okay, wait, let's get back to them.
Them guys about polygamous marriage.
Let me tell you something. Yabona mina
One guy is
mina
three
umuntu
wives.
wami angitshela ukuthi ufuna isithembu sabafazi nami ngimfake esithembini samadoda ngcono kube yi2 girls 2 boys sijole sonke esithandayo
Wona waswap isithembu samadoda selokho.
sirayida ngithi bazosiqala ngami.
And who said men are allowed to have polygamy?
No, that thing really was.
But that thing it's even from the Bible.
Yeah.
First of all, you guys will be like,
But polygamous relationships, let me tell you something. Polygamous relationships are not recognized in the eyes of Christianity and in the eyes of the law. That's why they say you are being that's in bigamy. That's why you can't marry 2 women in the court of law because it's considered bigamy.
Jacob had.
He didn't marry them legally. He married them abanye wabalobola, abanye wabashada. Omunye One, that's why they call them umfazi wephepha, because that is the wife that you are married in the court of law.
Okay.
with witnesses.
Let's check this. Let's check this theory. Who dies more between men and women?
Men.
It's men, ne?
Yes.
Pega this thing. Women, ne? They can't do polygamous marriage, ne? Because, ne? If they
love
do it, ne?
themselves.
Their Aziz, ne? Their Aziz will finish, ne?
Yeah, they get
But
this.
men, ne? They are always finishing it, ne? From outside, ne? So when they come back, ne? After finishing, they are always getting the,
You know,
the HIV.
you know,
The HIV.
Let me
Yes.
tell you something.
So
Do you
that's why
know
men
that
are
if
even
you
there,
see
sir.
if you see the stats, ne? Health stats,
Yeah.
men always bring sick, like amadoda yiwagulisa abafazi.
But
Yeah,
but
because- no.
that Gulisa
Because of
Abafazi, we get it from who?
Anikho
From the other Abafazi.
Why are you going to the other abafazi? It's easy. Yo.
You know what's next?
You guys ever realize which is every time when you sleep with a woman without a condom, you leave your smell to her vagina.
You smell.
Yeah, a smell.
Oh, it's called
It's not
pH
nice.
balance.
I know myself. Chief.
But it only happens if you. Let me tell you something. You know that only that
I know
happens.
myself.
That happens when you are azizing an unhealthy guy. That happens when you are azizing an unhealthy guy.
So I think
Me and my mundu can aziz. And we wake up, there's no smell.
There are some girls that when they come to you, before you even azizi, she takes off her paint. You put the finger there.
Yo,
When
you
smell
die.
it, the aziz
Smells
like her socks.
Aibo.
But yes, don't chow. Just
You know, let
you
me
rather chop the
clarify
snake
something.
is
You know,
bad.
let me clarify something. You know, if a guy unbelieving, that guy is cut this thing, usuganga circumcised one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The guy who circumcised can go a week without bathing or but clean.
But azizing every day.
But that's isn't every day. This is
Azizing
clean.
every day.
no.
Me, I don't care. Me, I don't care. All I am saying is that me, if my boyfriend azizes someone, I will know.
And you're gonna
Okay.
brag this.
Me.
Okay, pega.
No.
Okay, let's be.
I won't tell him
okay.
because he's watching. He
Okay.
will know also.
Let's be in this situation. What's better for ukuthi ujole lo guy who's loyal to you or ujole lo guy ofebayo? Remember nina amantombazane, if ungajola lo guy o loyal
girls
uzomkila.
like-
But mawungaba kwazi to guy wakho ufuna amanye amantombazane.
Let me tell you something.
Like bega, what you were saying? You were saying your man.
Mina my man, ne?
Afunayo.
Mina my man.
You can love your man
Mina
more,
my man.
more than that, those
Babhaya
girls.
bogela bamfunayo, understand? But then I don't see them as competition.
So they are not in your level. Okay.
Not ukuthi they're not my
that's
level.
what she's
You understand?
trying to say.
For the fact that my man left you umfuna walanda mina ngihlelele ekhaya.
That's it.
Says a lot. You understand? One thing about my man, ne? My man, like, une room. You understand? If he wants ukuthi abuya azokuvalela, you're going to go to his room, akuvalele, akazize. After that,
He is dangerous. This one.
he is going to post me.
After this.
After Aziz.
He's going to post me even on Facebook. And you know what is his caption? My wife. Ngam.
So you want to shut.
And after that, wait, let me tell you something.
so-
Let me tell you something. And after that, you know some girls are gonna say, we slim because of uvumela lokho. Islima uwe ovumwa ukazizwa umuntu owazi kahle ukuthi unentombi and anyeke ayishiya intombi yakhe for wena.
So chief.
Mina one thing about my man, I touch my man's phone, I open his phone, I go. If I feel like today I want to enter his WhatsApp, I enter. If I want to enter his,
but
and
the thing is-
you know, let me tell you something. Even I have, you know, my man's phone, I can even put my finger on. He knows anytime I know his passwords, everything I know.
Are you married?
My man, no, I'm not married, honey. We're in a relationship.
Let me tell you something.
He knows.
Let me tell you something.
And after that, after you send your text to my
You
man.
guys seem like you have
Ne?
chemistry between you two.
Huh?
Yeah.
So that way you are in man. And after that, my man, after you finish sending him all that, name, I'm going to open his phone and all that. One thing my man does, he respects me. whatever he's doing, angaze ngayibona.
Okay, wait. Mara when since
he respect me to the point ukuthi yonke into ayenza uyayifisha.
Mara when since you know that you mean ne is sometimes with other ladies ne that
I don't know that.
What I'm trying to say is do you tell your man
Mina ngilanguage and my man was calling me just now.
We know he was calling just now ne, but when do you tell your man which when he's with other girls they condomize it, then when he comes to you school?
First thing of all, guys, that I said, ne? Mina nomuntu wami siyagula. Sithu. Ne?
Oh, so you when I
Two, ne? My man knows whatever he does, whatever he chooses to do. I always find out.
Guys, may I ask you a question?
And angikhulumi so because of
I don't know. I think some people are lucky. These days, does anybody use a condom?
Yo guys, my man takes care of
nowadays
himself.
they don't.
I feel like
from the girl that I told you that trust you from the first time.
Let me tell you something. At my man's house, I don't care. He knows I take him. Me and you, we don't stay together. You're always on your own. I bring him condoms, and I tell him whatever you choose to do. Because of if in your life I hear that you fucked, you assisted, and you didn't protect yourself. When a gender is not protecting himself, he's also not protecting me.
Yeah.
Once you give me AIDS, you're going married.
We don't even getting married. We're not even getting married. You see one thing about me. Let me tell you something. You see me and my man, he knows once we pass a tent, I'm telling you something in a tenting. So test Angie. Because of I know that there is no one else that I am azizing besides him. He knows. That's why I always tell him, Guti, if I ever find myself with anything, I know, Guti, you are the one who gave it to me because of.
But when I'm fair to you, when you know that we you assist the Amanda, Precious, Jessica, Jamaica, can you pass in that tent?
No,
you can't. Let's go direct way.
Let me tell you something. One thing, guys, one thing about me, you see the dude that I'm dating now, I often say this a lot. You know. But actually the one that I'm dating now, he understands me because of he understands most of the guys that I've dated, they didn't understand sometimes.
So this one understands.
He understands, he knows what even now requesting he knows.
So I'm surprised.
He knows.
You know, let me tell you.
And even
So what's going on? Okay, let me explain something, guys. You know, there's this thing you will see. Abandon was if you post her, or if you post Mchita, if you don't get post. So I'm going to ask you, I'm tired. Nothing, but it's not like that. You know, sometimes.
No, but
we posted
No, yeah. Sometimes you want to post and phone by someone, you know.
Exactly.
Yes, you.
For
your ex to love you back, you need to post another girl. That's the trick. You can't go back to ex because the ex is the one you are trying to
No, it's nothing like that, guys. It's nothing like that.
So who got long poster will be who's over a girlfriend or something?
Okay, for instance, and then you post. Image do something.
Maybe she can come back.
So that's okay.
So
getting in his then for you to get that gate, you need to find another new gate that is fresher than here because when you're full, so that she can
every time I post for love.
So it's not really love.
There's something
Love to heal, but love to get it back.
Yeah, love to get
Yo guys, final.
Guys, I feel like we're more than 1 hour 20. Let's cut it, guys. If this video passes 300 likes, guys, I will do part 2. That's me.
Word of the day.
Word of the day.
Yeah,
Word of the day.
I think we still need a debate about this.
Yeah, but no, we can't act a movie. It is 1 hour 30. Yeah, we can't do more than 1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay.
We can't.
Word of the day.
Yeah.
Don't let people. Okay, word of the day.
You're beautiful though.
Don't let people change you. Thank you so much. Yo, you're also pretty. Don't let people change you. Be who you are. Be unapologetic. Do your shit. Don't be afraid. Who calls you what? It's your shit. It's your life. Do what you want. Make the most of it, because at the end of the day, you're gonna die and you're gonna have nothing to show. Trend. Be famous. Fuck. Do anything that makes you happy.
Aziz. So Bafeto, that was Nostra Finance. Bafeto, this is a Boy Bafeto. Bafeto, don't forget to subscribe. Bafeto, ngesintu imeng apochele stulingwa puma islwane slepera satin. So don't forget to subscribe. Bafeto, we're still going on. Thank you, Bafeto. See you in the next.